Okay, hi. Today, I want to discuss about method of analysis. Okay, in this chapter, I will cover two subtopic, which is nodal analysis with current source and mesh analysis with voltage source. Nodal analysis we will use KCL, and mesh analysis we will use KVL. Okay, after this, I will explain about you about nodal analysis and the step. Okay, here is the step for KCL. Have a few steps that we should remember. Okay, for step 1, as we see here, set node. Okay, step 2 is set current direction. Step 3, find partner at node. And lastly is find V node. Okay, this step is for more easier to get your answer for your circuit to find current for nodal analysis. Okay, we have a circuit here. Okay, what we have is we have a dependent and independent source. Here have a 4 resistor, which is 4 ohms, 2 ohms, 8 ohms, and 4 ohms. And this is the IX direction. Okay, let's go to the first step. Okay, first step is set node at circuit. Okay, this is a V1, V2, and V3. Okay, and after that, set the current direction. Okay, as we see here, this is the current direction. Okay, for the more easier is we should for at V1 we just follow the current source. This is more easier, so we don't have to get negative answer. Okay, I will try to explain to you how to find an equation. Okay, this is I2, I1, and I3. Okay, as we see here, I2 is going in, and I1 and I3 is going out. So I1 and I3 is partner, and I2 is alone. So the equation is I2 equal to I1 plus I3. Okay, we try for not at V2. Okay, as we see here, I2 ohm is going in, I8 ohms and I4 ohms is going out. So they are a partner. The equation should be I2 ohms equal to I8 ohm plus I4 ohms. Okay, this is a step how to get an equation with your imaginary current. Okay, you can see here at node V1. Okay, 3 is equal to I2 ohm plus I4 ohms. If you see the error, the value of 3 is going in and I4 ohms and I2 ohms are going out. So they are partner. That's why the equation is 3 equal to I2 ohms plus I4 ohms. Okay, this is for node V2. Same with node V1. The equation is I2 ohms plus I4 ohms. Sorry, I2 ohms equal to I4 ohms plus I8 ohms. Okay, we should see the error. I2 ohm is going in and I4 ohms, I8 ohms are going out. So we can get this equation. For node at V3, the equation is 2Ix equal to I4 ohms plus I8 ohms. Ix is equal to I2 ohms. And you can see the image for the circuit and how we get the equation. Okay, that's the direction of Ix. That's why Ix is equal to I2 ohms. Okay, next. Use Ohm's law, V equal to IR, to expand your equation. Okay, I2 ohm is equal to V1 minus V2 over 2. 2 is your value of resistor. V1 minus V2 is the node. And the rest is your mathematical calculation. Okay, this is a for node 3 that have 2 Ix. Ix is equal to I2 ohm. Okay, so the value 2 multiple by I2 ohm. Okay, the last step is use your scientific calculator to find V0, V1, V2 and V3. So the answer should be same with this one. Okay, next, I will try to explain about mesh analysis with voltage source. Okay, for this subtopic, we will use KVL, which is Kirchhoff voltage law. Okay, first step is draw your imaginary current. Second, set the polarity. Third, set direction voltage from negative to positive. Find partner and create an equation. Find I value. And lastly, follow the question. This step is you should remember. For more easier, you to find answer at the circuit. Okay, let me see this. We have a circuit that have a 35 volts, 2 Vx, Vx and V0. Okay, let's find Vx. Okay, here is 5 ohms and 10 ohms. Okay, I will show you step by step how to find I value. Okay, step 1 is draw your imaginary current. Okay, this is your imaginary current. Okay, step 2 is set your polarity. Okay, as we see here, the yellow color. Okay, for more, okay, this is a step how to set a polarity. This is the positive source. Okay, going out and through into the 10 ohm resistor, there should be positive, and going out, and that's out, and that will be negative. Okay, we use same to the 5 ohm resistor. Okay, the step 3 is set direction of voltage. Okay. This is the direction of the voltage. For source, we should draw the direction. Okay, this is the equation, how to create equation. Okay, here is we have V5 ohm to Vx and V10 ohm. Okay, if you see here, they are same direction, so they are partner, and only 35 is alone. So the equation should be 35 equal to V10 ohm plus V5 ohms plus 2 Vx. Okay, this is step, and this is the equation. Okay, find I value. Okay, just see at the calculation, and you will get I value, which is ampere. Just substitute the value to your equation and you will get the answer. Okay, the last step is follow your equation to find Vx and V0. Okay, this is the last answer. Okay, thank you for today. Cheers.